Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're in Madagascar. On the menu is a Madagascar braised beef. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in the brazier. I add the beef and I brown it. I add all the veggies and cook for a few minutes. I add the water just to cover. This is going to simmer for about 2 hours. After the simmer, I add the slurry. The rice is ready. Here's what the braised beef looks like and here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.